Hey guys, welcome back to the channel known as Micah's Mocs, where the very best mocks happen. If you're new to the channel, please like the video and subscribe for more awesome mock content and alternate builds just like this one. A couple of weeks back, I released an alternate build built from the parts from the Miles Morales Mech Armour set 76171. The alternate build I made was a speeder that was very popular with the fans. In fact, it still is today. A number of them also requested for a tutorial to be made. So with a bit of spare time and a bit of effort, I picked one up from the store, and here it is. I've decided to break this tutorial down into small bite-sized chunks so that you can follow along at home with your own set. We've started with the ski, and we're now working our way through the back hover jet. It's pretty simple, especially with all these mixable joints that you can just click together and easily form the chassis. We'll finish with the electro web parts at the end of the video. Now that the ski and the basic frame for the hoverjet are complete, we're going to start working on building the main frame of the speeder, or the body, the chassis, the main part. I've split this into three separate bits of the main body. Right now, we're currently building the exhausts for the engine, and also the two back mixer clips where the hoverjet will click onto. Next up, we're going to be building the seat where Miles is going to be sitting. Thanks to the already found parts in the Mech Armour set, it was really easy to build this seat, especially with this part where the minifigure's legs just slide right in. Of course, I had to substitute one of the red 1x1 tiles with a black piece, but other than that, a generally really nice looking seat. After we clip these clips on, you can see Miles fits right in, really nice and comfortable. Just slide him on in, like so. Now for the third and final piece of the body. Here we're going to be making the clip where the front ski of the bike, or the speeder, will attach, as well as some minor aesthetic parts to just round off the body of the speeder and give it a nice feel, a nice look. Here we go. Just clipping it on, really nice. Oops, sorry. There we go. Cool. Now we're going to start clipping our three separate pieces together to form the main body. Some minor aesthetic bits. And now we're just going to click the seat on. You'll see it fits in nice and snug. And finally, we're going to clip the main breastplate of the Mech Armour onto the back of the seat, and it forms a bit of an armor casing around it. Now we can clip in the chassis for the hoverjet and the front ski. As you can see, the general shape of the speeder is starting to come together. Next up, we're going to be building a small stand which fits under the direct middle of the speeder, and it helps raise it up a bit so that it gives the illusion that the hoverjet is actually working and raising the back part of the vehicle. The stand actually serves a double purpose as well. So the red angle pieces that you see also form the points where you're going to want to place your fingers, your index and thumb, to hold the speeder correctly and in a strong way. There we go. As you can see, a pincer grip is perfect for holding the speeder. There we go. And now to finish up, just like I said, with the electric web pieces. These two form the boosters at the back, which is 1 and 2. And finally, the middle turbine of the hover jet. So this part, with a few extra little pieces, makes the convincing top. I find I have to angle the back hover jet just slightly upward, and then it fits right in. Next, the base, with a small simple assembly, inverted, and placed on the bottom, like so. There you go, that's all there is to it. You've completed the Miles Morales speeder bike. Hey guys, if you like what you saw today, remember to like the video and subscribe for more awesome mock content and alternate builds like this one. That's all I have for you today. You've been watching Micah's Mocs.